Step into the 2014 BMW X5 sDrive35i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. It includes leather upholstery, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, heated front and rear seats, a headlight cleaning system, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.